It's Saturday today and I don't want to wake up. I want to sleep for more 2 hours. But I have to wake up even if I don't want to wake up because we have social service today. It's our whole room and I don't want to study in our room, especially in the morning, so I always come here to study. And now I'm gonna revise whatever I read yesterday night, and then I will go to terrace to fill my pot with some water. This is for my birds. So yeah, you can call me an ornithophile. I'll be very happy, to be very honest. And I want them to come here every time. Just I had finished cleaning our room and now I'm going to throw this garbage into the dustbin and then we will start our social service.